monkey. Oh.
Okay, Johanna, he's now cutting across from this middle road towards Pitroy itself. I'm going to have to try and relocate him in that area.
Okay, just turn him. I'll be with you now. Just go channel 1, I think I'll get you there now.
Okay, Johanna, I'm on once.
Okay, copy that.
And you must come about because I think he's heading towards the Dudley area.
I am on Dudley. Where are you?
No, man. Yeah, just keep, got him still parallel, but yeah, just keep coming, bummering if you can.
Confirm, first clearing van de militaire pad af.
Ja man, as jy nou van jou spoorweë afkom en jy kom op Pitroy en jy ry af, dis daai groot oop kol. Hulle noem hom die tweede oop kol. So pad daarna toe. Maar Herman weet wat se pad ek altyd van vat as ek sê die Dudley pannetjie.
Daisy. That's just from the tree.
Yeah, okay, I'm not too far out, okay?
Dudley's bike, ek is amper op Pitroy weer.
Okay, I'm coming.
Sorry, Mr. Tree. Oops.
The big log.
There's a log here, there's a log there.
Hold on.
Hi, Daisy. There's the tree.
Yeah, you can see the 2 minutes uit, hoor.
Jy moet van op, het is erg op pad Dudley toe.
Bly net op sy spoor, ek sal daai kant gaan as ek moet.
Ja, ek het hier niks laat sien, daai paadjie in Pitroy. It's net, yeah, just keep coming and you'll check, you get that big open clearing and then you come through. And it's on, yeah, just keep coming. I've got my spotlights on it.
Okay, I'm almost here at this place with a kloof, Ryan made this mud hole there.
Yeah, keep coming down that road, okay? He's now back on Pitroy again, heading in your direction.
Okay, copy that. I'm just almost at the clearing now. Okay, I'm on the clearing, must stay.
No, come down that road. You'll take the one that's on the far left and keep coming down. Maricela, put the spotlight up in the air.
Ek bly heel links, dan gaan ek af Pitroy.
That's permissive, keep coming, good?
Okay, I'm on Pitroy now from second of call.
Okay, if you come down the road, Johan, you're going to take, there's a huge termite mound with a scotia on the top of it. He's coming past that junction, very sharp corner. You're going to see our spotlights in
Shine
front
up
of
in
you.
the air, like make a big circle, so signal
Okay,
where we're
come
at.
in.
Can you see our spotlight in the air? Yeah?
Nee, nog nie. Maar ek is op pad.
Okay, just shine on the left.
Okay. Okay, I've got you Viz on yours. You're about 300 meters from me. Still in the road, but come, boy, come.
Okay, cover it. There's a mala on my left hand side, yeah? Chavalala, my left, yeah.
Ry hom dood. As jy nou hier om die hoek omkom, nee, is 'n rekking voor jou, right in front of you. You're like 20 meters. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Okay, he's coming towards you. Okay, he's about to come around
Yeah,
the
that's
corner.
his
He's
friend
about 10
coming.
meters out. literally 8 meters from you now.
Rachel.
Yeah, come back.
See where that tree's bent down, that sharp angle, he's about there now.
Come back.
Marcel, and then just keep your lights down low.
And that's how you track a leopard again.
Okay, he's almost
Whee!
put your spotlight down.